Tell us about the largest challenges you faced, Olatunde, um, as an agilist, and how did you resolve it? Guys, anytime you've been doing what I do for over 25 years, and when I say 25 years, Agile is only being called Agile for 20 years, maybe 21. Good, just been transparent. But I was a Lean Six Sigma trainer. I was a Lean Six Sigma black belt. And working in Detroit, this is something that I will never ever forget. The purpose behind the Lean concept is the ability to eliminate earmarks, waste, unneeded procedures or unneeded process, and also Lean way of working. It's also foster an environment that is collaborative. Business don't know everything, so let's bring market in. Market don't know everything, we need sales team. Sales team don't know everything, we need engineering team. Everybody's sitting down, but they were not sitting down. Everybody was gathering all their requirement in an Excel spreadsheet, and then they will send it to someone in marketing. They will add their own requirement in an Excel spreadsheet. 2 weeks later, legal will go through it for another 3 weeks. Make updates, changes in an Excel spreadsheet. 4 weeks, 4 months later, sales, they are selling before it's even built a feature or an idea to current customers that the engineering team has not even worked on, and they have not even seen the Excel spreadsheet. What did I do? I'm glad you asked. What I did was, we have what we call a front door team, SWAT, front door SWAT team. Every idea, I will have two proxy from sales, two proxy from business, two proxy from engineering, and one from legal. Someone that's capable, that's able to represent legal rights. Every proxy is got to be somebody that know about what we're about to do, what the team about to execute, the technology the team will need, also what we need from leadership. I was able to bring them together. The good thing is this: Peter Drucker, he said, if leaders don't want to come, tell them not to come. Don't send a proxy. Basically, your work is not important. Well, we don't want to talk like that, like the great Peter Drucker. So what I said was, we will use a proxy, but your proxy must be knowledgeable. And guess what I was? I was the product and the program manager. I was the product and the program manager. I started with Excel with them. They didn't want to do, back then, Jira when it first came out. They didn't want to do Raleigh, which is another, repository tool. And they didn't want to use Confluence for keeping contents. So I continued with the Excel. Then I noticed that when I make updates, somebody else is making updates and it's causing confusion. So we switched to Microsoft Project. From Microsoft Project, we tried Trello. From Trello, we went to Jira Enterprise version. Now, we made Jira our source of truth. So every new idea that marketing have, that legal have, that sales have, that engineering team has, it goes boom in Jira. All you have to do is log in. You will get an alert on your phone. You will validate, and it will show everything that we're doing. When we come together as a SWAT team, we were able to refine those ideas, allocate funding for those ideas, allocate teams from engineering for those ideas. Then I introduced the concept of estimating ideation. When, the concept of persona, I introduced that. Who are these ideas? Who are they going to benefit? What market? Why is this going to benefit the market? What is the differentiate? What is going to set us apart in the market? This customer was in the turning 65 markets, 10,000 agents a day. They want to be able to reach them according to the rules and guidance of CMS, Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services. They want to be able to reach them 5 years before they turn 65 and market to them. In like surveys, what you have AARP, when you turn 55, they are mailing their benefits to you. I was the one that helped this organization come up with that strategy. The strategy that we came up with 10 years ago is what is working today. For who? The turning 65 market. People that have Medicare Part A and Part B. A stands for, pays for the hospital. B stands for medical. The C, it covers the Medicare Advantage, and then the D, the prescription drugs. How can we market to them before they turn 65? We were able to get the right people in the room, come up with strategy, come up with teams, come up with funding allocated to actually get these ideas out, and separated us in the market. And this company won. Leadership won. We won. Bringing the ideas to them to formulate in that way, I won. That's what I do, I win. The benefits of having me as part of your organization is the ability to be the face of changes that you only dream about. Unleash me to be able to duplicate that change in the teams that are executing the work. My name is Olatunde Adekunle. I'm ready to serve with my gifts. Thank you.